Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable stock. Making your own vegetable stock is a fantastic way to add depth to your cooking, and it's surprisingly simple. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, focusing on aromatics and common vegetable scraps. Remember to steer clear of vegetables like cabbage or broccoli, as they can impart an undesirable bitter taste to your finished stock. This foundational step sets the stage for a flavorful base. Now let's prepare our vegetables. Roughly chop everything into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces. Precision isn't key here, as we're extracting flavor. Next, in a large pot, add a tablespoon of olive oil and sauté your aromatics, onions, carrots, and celery, for about 5 to 7 minutes. This step helps to deepen their flavor and create a more robust stock, building a wonderful aromatic foundation for our liquid gold. Once your aromatics are fragrant, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in 10 to 12 cups of cold water, ensuring all the vegetables are fully submerged. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer gently for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. This slow, steady simmer is crucial for extracting all those wonderful flavors from your vegetables. After simmering, it's time to strain your beautiful homemade stock. Carefully pour the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or a colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard the cooked vegetables, as they have given all their flavor. Allow the stock to cool completely before transferring it to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for longer storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.